Welcome back. In our breaking update, what we are learning as far as the completion of 11 years in public office as far as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is concerned, there has been a press briefing that was being chaired by and addressed by JP Nadda. The Union Minister, along with other Union Ministers, also seated there. And there are several questions that were also raised as far as when it comes to the work, the transformation, the performance of the 11 years of Modi Sarkar, but what the opposition now thinks of the Prime Minister and his leadership as well. On the issue, when it comes to Rahul Gandhi raising questions over his election commission results and also Maharashtra's assembly election results and to the election commission as well, here's what JP Nadda said.
Government before 2014 was full of corruption. भ्रष्टाचार से आकंठ डूबी हुई सरकार थी, घोटालों से में संलिप्त सरकार थी, एक नेगेटिविज्म का वातावरण था, कुछ नहीं बदलने वाला। लेकिन 2014 के बाद हमने ऑप्टिमिज्म देखा है। The shift, when I talk about political culture, I talk about the shift from negativism to positive. आज हम मतलब मैं नहीं, भारत का आम नागरिक कहता है मोदी है तो मुमकिन।
Well, Mohit is with us right now. Mohit, on the questions with regards to the opposition, how it behaves and childish questions and decisions are made, and on the question of a press briefing by the Prime Minister, all of them that have now been answered by the Union Minister.
Well, yes, Amita, it was a detailed press conference by BJP President JP Nadda. And JP Nadda, while he was asked about Rahul Gandhi raising questions on the Election Commission, and we know for a fact that JP Nadda, when Rahul Gandhi put out that particular social media post on his article, JP Nadda attacked Rahul Gandhi, saying that these are manufactured lies by Rahul Gandhi. Point-by-point rebuttal was being given. And today again, JP Nadda clearly stated that the words that are being used by Rahul Gandhi are irresponsible. If you win Himachal, if you win Karnataka, you do not have any issues with the EVMs or the Election Commission. And that has been the charge by the BJP, Amita.
Well, irresponsible opposition is what the Union Minister JP Nadda said while holding this briefing on the 11 years of Modi Sarkar. We'll get you more on that as far as what the opposition has been raising questions and what has been the response. Mohit, thank you very much. Back after a short break.